see nose. So this is one I got in the packet. It's a butterfly. Flutter, 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 flutter. And this is in a bird. So
Sorry, guys.
look. And this is a cupcake. Cupcake, a little cupcake. Cupcake. Oh, I think this is supposed to be basketball from the print store. This is me. It's probably a basketball. So, oh, by the way, I'm doing the present right now. Ball. And that's stupid. This is the train.
The wind is howling like this one sun inside. Hidden secret, heaven knows how. Don't let them in, don't let them figure you always have to be patient. Don't care, so let them know. Well, now they know.